Hooty hoo, all my stock market gamblers. It's Tall Mike here, and it's Thursday, August 27th. I want to talk to you about the fact that the markets are juiced. I mean, oh my God, they're juicing the markets. Now, in sports, you know steroids are illegal. They're illegal because people don't want to see it. They don't want the cheating involved. In the markets, they're cheating. There's no price discovery. They're juicing the markets. Fed Chairman Powell just came out and he announced he's going to juice the markets some more. He's going to run inflation hot. What does that mean? That means he's going to print more money. Now, who does this hurt? It hurts the poor. It hurts the people on fixed income. Who does it help? Oh, rich people love inflation. They have assets. They go up, 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 up. Fed Chairman Powell, he's got a lot of assets, $50 million. He wants to make those go up $5, $10 million a year. He don't want to see them go down. No, he's going to juice the markets. What about the government? Well, they're going to send more stimulus checks. What do stimulus checks do? It juices the markets. People get them, they put them in their Robinhood accounts. Now, what do people who put them in their Robinhood account do? They trade, but they trade on margin, and they got margin debt. What does margin debt do? It juices the market. The market is juiced. It's juiced. Now, this is not going to end well. You know, leverage, like, okay, you trade on margin. Leverage on the way up. As the market's going up and you got leverage, you're doing great because your returns are being multiplied. But what happens when the market goes down? Your losses are multiplied. It's disaster. Disaster's coming. These markets are juiced. Apple over $2 trillion. You think that one's juiced? Tesla, it goes up $100 a day. Yeah? Okay, they say always buy the dips, buy the dips. I'm telling you, when this market turns, and it will. Now here's what we got. Everybody thinks the markets are going to come down, and they are. Just not yet. Not yet. It's not ready because they're going to juice it some more. Juice the markets, but the markets are going to come down. When they do, they're going to come down hard. They're going to come down very hard. Okay, so what we had the markets, the Dow, let's just go with the Dow, around 30,000. Okay, and then you had, the virus hit. All right, so we went from 30,000 down to 18,000. Okay, but then we got the juice coming. The Fed printing of the money. The government sending you a stimulus check, sending $600 bonuses for unemployment, putting all foreclosures in forbearance. This was all, it was all good because the markets went from 18,000 back to 30,000. We got a V-shaped recovery. The only problem is the economy. We have no recovery, not any shape recovery. We don't have a recovery. All right, so anyways, you juice the markets. And now, normally in a bear market, where you go from 30,000 down to 18,000, you'll get a bounce. It's called the oversold bounce. Now, this bounce normally goes about 70, 80%. Sometimes it even hits 100%. But anyways, the way they're juicing the markets, we're going to go above 100%. But this is a bounce that just, it's not sustainable. We're going to go back and retest that 18,000. And my guess is we're going to get below it, probably down around 15 or 14,000 on the Dow. But it's not playing out yet. It's not going to play out this year. Not with the election coming. I don't see that. I mean, Donald Trump, he wants to win, and if he can buy the election by printing stimulus money, he's going to buy this election. So the markets aren't ready to come down yet because they're juicing the markets. But believe me, they will come down probably into next year, maybe, this time next year, if you got one all the way around 12 months in August, we're going to be a lot lower on the Dow. Now, I'm not saying we're going to be all the way back down to 18,000 or 15,000, although we could be much lower. You just don't know. But I do know that this is not sustainable. You cannot juice these markets forever. I mean, it's funny. We're starting to become a socialist country now. And we have these theories like AOC, she gets out there with her Green New Deal. Anyways, in schools, they teach this thing called MMT, which is Modern Monetary Theory. I actually say it stands for more money today because that's what people want. They just want more money. All right, so modern monetary theory means that you can print unlimited money without doing any harm. Well, let me tell you. Okay, when you're playing sports and you're taking steroids, you think it's not doing any harm. It's not doing any harm till you get older. Then it does a lot of harm and you die young because you took the steroids. Okay, this market's going to die young, let me tell you. Anyways, this market is done because it's being juiced by the government, it's being juiced by the Fed, it's being juiced by margin traders. This is not going to end well. This is disaster waiting to happen. But not yet, because we got this thing. It's called an election coming. An election with Donald. The Donald wants to win. Right now he's way behind in the polls. Maybe Biden wins. Maybe Donald wins. I don't think it's going to matter. I think the market's going to come down. But they're going to juice it up. They're going to juice it right now. Oh my goodness gracious. Anyway, it's just a disaster. I'm telling you, disaster's waiting to happen. You can buy the dips, and don't get me wrong, I'm long the market. I mean, the majority of my positions are long. Now, I'm a trader, okay? Now, anyways, I'm a stock market gambler, if you will. If you want to really know how I trade the markets, just go to stockmarketgambler.com and get my stock market secrets. It's free. Just put your name and email in there, and it'll arrive in your email box. But anyways, it's just what I do. I'm a stock market gambler, and I love it. I do love trading. I really do, and it's fascinating though to watch because there's so many things to watch. You can't just analyze a stock and say is it going up or down. No, some of these stocks are walking zombies. I mean, some of these stocks should be out of business, but as long as they keep juicing the market, baby. Anyways, these zombies keep going up. They keep going up. They're going to crash and burn, and it's not going to end well. I'm telling you that. But right now, you got to play the hand that's right in front of us. And right now, with that election coming, they really want to pump up the market. The juice is going to keep coming. It's going to keep coming. I'm telling you. The Robin Hood kids are out there, man. They're buying those Tesla dips. They're buying those Apple dips. They're buying the dips in Facebook. Anyways, it's going to keep pumping these stocks up. It's not time to short them. There'll come a time. I'll let you know when, Anyways, well, that's another point. You should subscribe to my channel so I can let you know when. Hit that subscribe button. What the heck? Me and you will have these conversations every weekday, because every day the stock market's open. I like the weekdays so much better than the weekend. Weekends I get a little down because the stock market's not open. I just love the stock market. Anyways, if you can, hit that subscribe button for me, and we'll continue to have these talks. Anyways, get out there, have a great day, and this is Tall Mike. I'm a stock market gambler.